Okay, hi everybody. Hi my friends. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today we are doing room 3 of AWS Escape Room exam prep for AWS Certified AI Practitioner. On our previous videos, we did room 1 and room 2. You may check them either on live section of my YouTube channel or on the actual video list. Plus, some of them are just few minutes are going to be on LinkedIn. So let's go ahead and do room 3. If you're getting ready with me, let's go ahead and get ready. I have exam coming up for AI practitioner, so I am getting ready, and then recording this on my way. You can as well do this like while I do it. You can also open your computer and do it, or you can just watch what I'm doing and take notes for if you're getting ready for your exam. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. Let's continue. Continue. Resume. Okay, so now we're gonna fix the broken machine. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, where is the broken machine? This one. Let's try to do it quick. We must finish one room at least before this recording is done. Okay, farmers market, act 1, fine tuning. Okay, I can't wait to see what we're doing. I'm gonna get out of the house, out of where I am. I'm gonna come here. Okay. Chef says this is so frustrating. Okay, he's gonna need help, Chef. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, how are we gonna go out? Out the door? No, what's the door? Which way? Okay. Showing us this way, so how are we gonna go? No, can't. Wait, open. Oh, there you go. Came out by himself. That's faster than I thought. Oh no. Like, no. Please. Scared. Help. Something is wrong. All my recipes taste strange and funny. Nothing is coming out right. I can't serve this to my customers. I started with my foundation recipes, but they are not coming out like this. I think I need to fine-tune my recipes to make them delicious again. My customers are waiting for their food. Go to the stove. To the Stove-O-Rama to unlock Amazon SageMaker and fine-tune my recipe. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to the Stove-O-Rama and then unlock Amazon SageMaker and fine-tune my recipe. Interact with the oven to unlock SageMaker. Okay, correct. Exam style Q, security, compliance, and governance for AI solutions. A company's governance team wants to track the risk rating for each large language model LLM that the company uses without any product customization. The company uses Amazon SageMaker To host and deploy the LLMs, which SageMaker feature will meet these requirements? What are we doing here? So we are what? Tracking the risk rating for each large language model. So risk, checking the risk. Okay. The company uses SageMaker to host deploy LLM. Which one will do the track risk? Okay, clarify model card, clarify model registry experiment. Is it track? I will just say that, and then I will just see the answer. Yeah, it's not gonna be right. Model registry clarify. Is it? Oh, come on. Model card or registry? I don't know. Okay, is that? Oh, SageMaker model card. Let me see the answer. Correct. You can use SageMaker model cards to document critical details about your ML models in a single location. SageMaker model cards offer risk rating as a built-in metric that you can track and view. Risk rating is model card. Risk rating model card. Okay. Model cards rate risk. Okay. Fine-tune the chef's recipe model to improve the recipes and make them delicious. So we need what? Model card. Model card. Okay, what? Select an order. The following AI and ML contents from largest score to smallest scope. The largest one scope should be the broadest category, and the smallest for scope should be the subset of all. So this is the AI is the large. Yeah, and then and then machine learning, and then deep learning and generative AI. I believe. Yes. Why was I a little bit scared of deep learning and generative AI? Generative AI comes after deep learning. So what are we doing? What happened? Oh no. Yeah, thank you for fine-tuning my recipe foundation model and making the recipes delicious. I knew you could do it. What did you do again? Fine-tuned? How? Do you see these customers over there? Yeah. Where are the customers? Now that we have the fine-tuned recipes, we need to give the customers their food. Go talk to the head waiter first. He will review your food before we serve it to the customers. Review your food with the waiter. Okay, come here. Where's the waiter? Where's the waiter again? This one? There you go. Which AWS service or feature can send low confidence ML predictions to a human for review? CloudWatch Alarm, SageMaker Experiment, Augmented AI, Lambda. I believe it's this, but I don't know. No, oh no. CloudWatch Alarms. Wait a minute. Augmented maybe? Yeah, maybe. It worked. Amazon Augmented AI, Amazon A2I. Correct. You can use Amazon A2I to create a human review workflow. In the workflow, you can label low confidence predictions and send the predictions for review. Okay. A2I, Amazon Augmented AI is for human review. Oh, they're reviewing it. The food is. Oh no. They're not finishing it. Oh, they love it. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I thought the dish. What did you think about the? Look, they have their phones out. They must be posting reviews to social media. You need to see what they're saying. You help me determine if the feedback is good or bad. Yeah. We use a machine to analyze customer feedback. Is it what? Comprehend? What is that? Which one? This one? What is Amazon Comprehend? Service that can be used to convert speech to text? No. No. Natural language? No. Service that can be used to build intelligence? No. Natural language processing service that extracts insights and relationships from text data and can be used to understand the sentiment of customer feedback in text. That's true. Sentiment. Select the correct machine learning technique from the following list for each task to build a voice assistant application. Each machine learning technique should be selected one time. Okay, train the assistant to recognize voice commands based on labeled data. Train the assistant to recognize voice commands based on labeled data. I think it's supervised learning. Identify patterns in user behavior for personalizations based on unlabeled data. That's gonna be unlabeled or unsupervised learning. Okay, combine labeled data for voice recognition. Combine labeled data for voice recognition with unlabeled data for acoustic modeling. Combine labeled data for voice recognition with unlabeled, so that's going to be semi-supervised. Kind of self-explanatory. Let's go. Let's do this fast. I wish we could do 2 rooms in one sitting. So just gonna try. Machine sentiment analysis complete. Positive feedback or good? Positive. Customers loved the food, really? I must go tell the chef. Good. They love it. I'm so happy, thank you. Now let me get back to work making delicious food for my Can you grab me some ingredients from the walk-in refrigerator? The ingredient room. Act 2, organizing and retrieving data. I can't find anything. Oh my god, why is everybody confused? Jeez. Okay, talk to the sous chef. Okay, let's go out. I set up my new AI assistant to help me organize the ingredients and tools. Get the AI assistant to tell me where and now I can't find what the chef needs for this. Can you please help me? Yes. Okay, let's come here. Fix the AI assistant. Which AWS service is suitable to store vector embeddings and perform semantic search? What was that? Dynamo TV? Open search? I think. Oh no. Oh, it's open search. Yeah, I just remember, but I don't know why. Let's see. Amazon Open Search Service, correct. Open Search Service is a managed service that you can use to deploy and manage open search clusters. You can use Open Search Service to store vector embeddings and to perform searches on stored embeddings. You can use semantic search to identify the meaning, context, and intent of the query. Okay, so semantic search, deploy and manage, and vector embeddings, open search. Next, report to the source chef. Okay, did we fix that? Now I know where to find all ingredients. The chef gave me access to all the best recipes in the world. They're right there. I created a data lake to store all the recipe data. It's not working. Chef wants me to find a new recipe that includes sugar. World is best recipe. What is AWS lake formation? Service to model and set up AWS resources by creating templates. No. Fully managed service that monitors. No. Service to centrally govern, secure, and globally shared data for analytics. I don't think so. Fully managed ML service used to what? I don't think so. To model and set up services. Maybe. No. Oh, that's cloud formation. That's not the one. Service to centrally secure, govern, secure, and globally share data for analysts. Oh yeah, maybe that one. Lake formation. Service to centrally govern. So this is a picture of it, AWS lake formation. This is a lake. What? Looks like a lake. Okay. Service to centrally govern, secure, and globally share data for analytics and ML. Okay. Globally shared data for analytics and lake formation. Validate the recipes on the computer. A company wants to use AI to improve business operations. Company wants to begin to explore foundation models that fit its specific use case. Which solution will meet this requirement with the least operational effort? What do we need? The AI that improve business operations. What is it? Business operation use established natural language processing and model that is deployed, fine tune, develop a new. I think this might be the one because the real rational. Let me check my. Alright guys, thanks for your patience. Let's do this. Okay. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that provides access to several foundation models from AI startups and AWS. By using Amazon Bedrock, you can experiment and evaluate FMs that are suitable for your use case with minimal operational effort. Perfect. Identify the service. Arrange the service elements on the left and right sides of the scale so that AI ML services have the same weight as non-AI ML services. Okay, Bedrock is, which one is it? Wait, which one is which side? IAM, comprehend. Comprehend it over here. Dynamo can be here. So the AI ML services are in green. SageMaker, Bedrock, comprehend. I believe it's Kubernetes. It's not Dynamo. It's not IAM. It's not. I believe. Okay, let's go. What are we doing now? Where are we? Chef, amazing, my AI assistant can access the data lake full of the world's best recipe. How did we help it? We used Bedrock? Now I need to get back to work. I think the chef wants to see you. Talk to the chef in the kitchen. Alright. I'm glad you're back. I was notified We just got the latest shipment of coffee beans. What are we gonna do? Can you check that the shipments were delivered? Oh, and get that monkey out again. That monkey is in again, the delivery room. You're giving us a lot of work, guys. Shh, come here. Okay, what monkey? Talk to the monkey in the shipment delivery room. Shipment, where is the shipment delivery room? All the way? Wait a minute. How do I come out? Wait a minute. I was anyway supposed to go inside there. Okay, I can just come out. What? Wait a minute. Hmm? What's it do? Oh, what's the door? What's the door? Oh my god. What's the door, guys? Okay. Oh. Come on out the way here. Oh, yeah. There you go. Finally. We're still locked inside the coffee shop. Mr. Gorilla locked us in here. He locks everyone here and you might be next. We need your help to escape. Hurry. Make sure that the crane is working properly. Okay. How do I go out? Which way? Oh, this way. Oh, here's a friend. What is Amazon EKS? Fully managed relational database? No. Serverless data integration service? I don't think so. Service used to create, secure, manage centralized repository? I don't think so. Might be this because containerized. Fully managed service used to run, scale, and manage containerized application by using Kubernetes. That's right. So fully managed relational database service that can be used to store embedding vectors is Amazon RDS. Serverless data integration service used to combine data from multiple sources is Glue. Service used to create, secure, and manage a centralized repository of structured and unstructured data is AWS Lake Formation. Okay, and fully managed service used to run, scale, and manage containerized applications by using Kubernetes on AWS's Elastic Kubernetes service. Let's go confirm that the container is not broken. Kubernetes Elastic Container Service, a fully managed container orchestration service used to deploy, scale, and manage containerized applications. Fully managed service that provides access to various foundation models. Fully managed database service that can be used to store JSON. Serverless compute used to run code. I think that's A. Yeah, Elastic Container Service is fully managed container orchestration service used to deploy, scale, and manage containerized application. Fully managed service that provides access to various foundation models through APIs is Amazon Bedrock. Fully managed database service that can be used to store JSON document, a document DB, and serverless compute service used to run code without the need to provision or manage servers is Lambda. Prepares the conveyor belt. Which one? Toggle services. Toggle on all services related to containers. This is related to container. I don't think so. Container. This is not container. I think those two. Yeah. That's it. Continue. Okay. What are we doing here? Container. Tell the chef the conveyor belt is operating. Right. Oh no, come on, come on. Amazing, I can now manage the container safely. There is just one more thing I would like to ask you. When you go to the coffee bar and talk to the barista, everything is suspiciously quiet. Oh, the coffee bar door opens only for authorized personnel. I will make an exception if you prove your AWS knowledge. The coffee bar. Security and knowledge base. I don't belong here. I don't know how to do it. Unlock the door to enter the coffee bar. Okay, financial services company wants to deploy an agent that will be powered by a large language model. The agent will advise customers on investment accounts and automate trading actions. Select the correct prompt engineering risk from the following list for each description. Each prompt engineering risk should be selected one time. An attacker forces an LLM to share sensitive details of conversations with other users to steal their credentials. Extract conversation history. Let me see. An attacker forces an LLM to print all the instructions that the LLM receives from the front-end application. This action uncovers vulnerabilities in the implementation that the attacker can target. An attacker prompt personas which ignore the prompt template, extract the prompt template, extract conversation history. An attacker that is not approved to trade options forces the LLM to use a different set of instructions and enable the option trading feature for the attacker. An attacker forces the LLM to change its communication style from pleasant and courteous to rude and offensive. Then the attacker records a session and uses the conversation to sue the company and negatively impact its brand. Okay, an attacker forces an LLM to share sensitive details of conversation with others as a users to steal user identities is prompt persona, switch, no, ignore, extract. Okay, details of conversation. An attacker forces the LLM to print all the instructions. An attacker forces the LLM to print all the instructions that the LLM received from the front-end application. This action uncovers vulnerabilities in the implementation that the attacker can target. Extract the prompt template, right? An attacker that is not approved to trade options forces the LLM to use different set of instructions and enable the option trading feature. Nor an attacker forces the LLM to change its communication style from pleasant to rude would be persona switch. I believe. Let me see. Yep, you got it right. Okay, guys, let's go. Now, I might be too fast, but I hope you guys will catch up. Plus, you can let me know in the comment section for future videos. I'm trying to get ready for my exam. I hope this will help you too. Drag the line connector for each AWS service or feature on the left to the correct description on the right. AWS Artifact, AWS Audit Manager, Amazon Inspector, AWS Secret Manager, AWS Key Management Service, AWS AI Service Cards. Okay. Monitor security and compliance of AI ML infrastructure by identifying vulnerabilities in given instances, and container images is gonna be inspector, I believe. This is inspector, I believe so. Okay, form of responsible AI documentation that provides customers with a single place to find information on the intended use case and limitation, responsible AI design choices, and best deployment and operation best practices. It's AI, it might be this form of responsible AI documentation. Automate creation and management of audit reports to demonstrate security and posture of AI ML environment. That might be audit manager, because it says audit. Automate storage and rotation of API keys and database credentials used by ML models to access AWS service would be Secrets Manager. Download compliance reports for regulatory audits of AI ML systems, including service organization controls. Report is Artifact. Encrypt sensitive, says key management service. I believe this is right. Yes, it is. Let's go. Talk to the barista. Oh, we opened it. Barista, where are you? Okay, wow. Here we came to rescue you. The machine is not making coffee, it's making juice. Oh, can you help me? Good. Fix the espresso machine. Where are we? What are we doing? Oh no. We're going to open source service. In this solution, which has based AI accesses custom data in a knowledge base to answer user questions. Good. Okay. A user asks a question through a chat-based AI contained in Amazon Bedrock. To find relevant data to answer the question, the AI queries a knowledge base created in Amazon Open Source service. Based on the query, the AI uses information sent by the knowledge base to provide a customized response to the user. Knowledge base can be resynchronized at any time with updated information stored in Amazon Simple Storage Service. Okay, let's go. Let's plan. Should I see this guy? I should just see open search video.
OpenSearch Overview. Amazon OpenSearch Service is a managed service that makes it easy to deploy, operate, and scale OpenSearch clusters in the AWS cloud. Amazon OpenSearch Service is the successor to Amazon Elasticsearch Service and supports OpenSearch and legacy Elasticsearch. OpenSearch is a fully open source search and analytics engine for use cases such as log analytics, real-time application monitoring, and clickstream analysis. Amazon OpenSearch Service provisions all the resources for your cluster and launches it. It also automatically detects and replaces failed nodes, reducing the overhead associated with self-managed infrastructures. You can scale your cluster with a single API call or a few clicks in the console. Here are the key benefits. Harness the power of OpenSearch. Amazon OpenSearch Service offers the latest versions of OpenSearch, support for 19 versions of open-source Elasticsearch versions 1.5 to 7.10, and visualization capabilities powered by OpenSearch dashboards and corresponding versions of Kibana. Operate OpenSearch with the leading contributor of the community-driven, open-source software. Increase efficiency. Eliminate operational overhead and reduce cost with automated provisioning, software installation, patching, storage tiering, and more. Go beyond basic search and analytics. Use machine learning to detect anomalies in real time, auto-tune your clusters, and personalize your search results. Access operational data in real time. You can use Amazon OpenSearch Service to quickly search and analyze your unstructured and semi-structured data to find what you need. OpenSearch features. Scale. OpenSearch provides a highly scalable system for fast access to large volumes of data, and many configurations of CPU, memory, and storage capacity up to 3 petabytes, with cost-effective ultra-warm and cold storage for read-only data. Security. Meet and maintain high security for authentication, authorization, encryption, audit, and regulatory compliance using index, document and field-level security, HTTP basic or SAML authentication, and integration with AWS IAM, Amazon VPC, and Amazon Cognito. Flexibility. OpenSearch provides SQL integration with business intelligence applications and custom packages to improve search results. Stability. OpenSearch is available in multiple regions and allocates nodes across 2 or 3 availability zones, and dedicated management nodes automates cluster tasks, such as snapshots to back up and restore your domains.
Okay. OpenSearch is sounding, then let's go plan. Practice lab goals. Create knowledge base for a chat-based AI by using Amazon Bedrock. Test the AI's ability to answer questions through the knowledge base. Update the knowledge base data sources. DIY goals. Build on what you have learned. Add a coffee data to the knowledge base for the chat-based AI coffee machine. After selecting the coffee.txt file, resync the data source. Okay, what do we do? Review the practice lab objective in the concept section. Click Start Lab or open AWS console. Okay. Coffee machine. Open. Prompt. Copy. Okay. Ah, the lab is not starting yet. We're just following the steps. Plus I'm gonna minimize it so it can be two page. Just gonna follow two sides. It's 42 steps, guys, so we're gonna make it quick. Coffee machine. Oh, I just have to click it. I'm gonna copy this. Wait a minute. Oh no, wait a minute. It's not how it goes. Click, I click copy. Okay, I click to copy. Oh. Oh, I don't need this guy. And then copy. Model access. And then what? After model access. Yeah, I just click model access. Enable specific media. Okay, I can't see it unless I. Or it's gonna be modified since we opened it last time. Okay, then what? Choose text and text something and novel light. Text embedding. Wait a minute, let me double check. I know Novelite is here. But the other one, I'm not sure what exactly it says, so let me maximize it. So Titan text embeddings V2. That is Titan text embeddings V2. Scroll. And then what do we do? Select, no, next. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be next. Review. Novelite and then submit. That's good so far. Okay, knowledge base. Wait, review. Then what? Create. Create, choose knowledge is to a vector store. Create knowledge base with vector store. Next one. Copy machine something. Knowledge base details, knowledge base name. The machine something. Enter description. Choose use something over here. Just following the image size. Second option, create. Use, I'm just gonna use existing one. Choose bedrock, something raw. Bedrock heavy raw. Now what? Amazon accessory choose. Oh yeah, it's chosen already. Scroll down. Next. Next, and then okay. Process 3, data source name, and then click source accessory. Data source name, what is it? Choose. I'm eating, guys. I'm hungry. You better relax as well. You feel. Scroll. Next. Okay. Select model, click, choose, model, open search. We're not here yet, so configure and proceeding step vector store method, choose an existing open search serverless. Wait a minute. Let me maximize this. And then, okay, that's the last step selected. Oh, there, we are good. B2, apply. I hope this is apply. A little bit bigger. Asking me all those stuff here. Huh. See, oh, Review. Let me see. Did it let it go? Wait, after that, what do I do? Choose duplicate. To duplicate the current prototype. Let me see. It's asking for stuff here, so maybe we need to do it. Oh no, guys, we missed a step here. Pop-up box. Knowledge base, okay. Yeah, I know, I rushed through it. So I'm just gonna go back, create. Just gonna create vector, okay. Okay, necessary. Another necessary data source, yeah. Just gonna do it here. Okay, and then what? This AWS process 3. Coffee machine. Okay. Oh, not select, actually click. Okay, so now select. Oh no, yeah, choose. Choose. Okay, this was a detail we were missing, I guess. We did that now. Review. Did we already click next? After we choose, where did we go? Go to next step. Okay. Next step, or are we looking at necessary URL? Let me maximize this page. Review to confirm that the necessary URL is populated correctly. Okay. Just asking us to check this one. Yep, we just did this. Next, select model and embeddings. No, not that first. Oh no, guys, what are we doing? Okay, let me do this. What did I do? Okay, I'm gonna do that again. Okay, patience, 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 patience. Take a water break, guys. Okay, guys, I got sidetracked by Facebook, but I am gonna post something here. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm taking a little break, I guess. All right, I'm sorry. I think I needed something to distract me. And this thing is, let's see. Let's talk about what are we doing here? vector index while maintaining mapping to the original document. To duplicate current browser, okay, we have to duplicate. Okay, that's for the ARN. Let us duplicate. Okay, and then what do we do? Open search. Amazon Open Search Service. Collectors. Collection ARN. Return. Collection ARN. There you go. No. Okay. Vector index name dot vector field name. Guys, this one is not easy. Text field name. What do I want? Vector field name. Okay. Trying to fill those information, guys. Next step. And fill and clear knowledge space. So the source, where is it? Wait, what is it? Test knowledge base. No lie, no lie. Generation prompt, edit, and then delete, and then paste the prompt text file content that you copied in an earlier step. What? Oh my gosh. Oh no. I don't know if I have that, guys. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, thank God it's here. Okay. I do that. Okay. So I'm gonna edit the generation prompt. I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna paste. What am I gonna do? Click test. Save changes. I paste save changes. What is save changes, guys? Give me it. Yes. And then what do we do? Click to close. To close configuration pane. What do I do? Oh, oh no. I hope I didn't mess up. Test. Huh? Do you offer coffee? Test pane text box. Agent will provide a search result. It appears that establishment does not offer coffee. The menu listed includes various juices, but no coffee is mentioned. Therefore, the answer to the question is no, we do not offer coffee. Okay. Yes, we offer juice. Review model's responses. Note that the model can correctly answer question about juice. The coffee machine's chat-based AI should be able to answer question about coffee as well, so you need to fix this issue. Above the test pane, click close for the next step. In the data source section, click add. DIY section of this solution, you must add and sync a second data source so that the solution can answer questions about coffee. Okay. Let me just review it quickly, guys. Okay, quick. It's kind of sleepy. Okay, so we're gonna get S3. Let's read the concept. The search box on we know that already. Amazon Simple Storage is an object storage service that stores data as objects. I know that. On the Objects tab, choose the checkbox to select the prompt.txt.file. At the top of the Object section, click Open. Select, highlight, and copy the contents of the open file, and then paste it in the text editor of your choice on your device. You use this prompt content in a later step. Go to next step. Prompting helps large language model LLMs perform variety of tasks such as classification, question answering, code generation, and creative writing. The quality of prompts that you provide to LLMs can impact the quality of the response. Okay, search box, Bedrock. Okay, concept with Amazon Bedrock. You can choose from a wide range of foundation models, FMs, to find the model that is best suited for your use case. Amazon Bedrock also offers a broad set of capabilities to build AI applications with security, privacy, and responsible AI. Concept here is access to Amazon Bedrock FM is not granted by default. To gain access and AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM user with sufficient permission needs to request access through the console. After access is granted, an FM is available for all users in the account. And then edit model access step. Choose the two checkboxes to select Titan text embeddings, V2 and Novelite. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click next. Okay, the review and submit step under model access modification. Review to confirm that both models are displayed at the bottom of the page. Click submit. Concept using knowledge base for Amazon Bedrock. You can integrate proprietary information into your generative AI application. Review to see that the model access updates were submitted. In the left navigation pane, under build, click knowledge base, go to the next step. Knowledge base. Concept using retrieval augment generation RAG technique and knowledge base searches your data to find the most useful information, using it to answer natural language questions. Knowledge base with vector store. In the provide knowledge base details step, for knowledge base name type, coffee machine, knowledge base. For runtime role, choose use an existing service role. Below that, on the drop down list, choose bedrock heavy role, go to the next. For the choose data source type, choose S3. Okay, you can use data source connector to connect your proprietary data to a knowledge base. After you have configured a data source connector, you can sync or keep your data up to date with your knowledge base and make your data available for querying. Okay, concept. Trying to focus on the concepts. You can connect to your S3 bucket for your Amazon Bedrock knowledge bases by using either an Amazon Bedrock console or create data source API. Amazon Bedrock documentation lists supported software development kits or SDKs and AWS CLI. Okay. Client. Okay. Review to confirm that the necessary URI populated correctly. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, then click Next. In the configure data storage and processing step for vector store creation method, choose use an existing vector. Concept. An embedding model converts pieces or chunks of text to embeddings, writing them to vector index while maintaining a mapping to the original document. In the search. Okay, what other concept do we have here? These embeddings are used to determine semantic similarity between queries and text from data sources. Knowledge base takes several minutes to be created. Wait until the concept. After you create your knowledge base, ingest your data source or sources into your knowledge base so that they are indexed, can be queried. Ingestion converts the raw data in your data source into vector embedding. Model, Amazon. When you query a knowledge base, Amazon Bedrock returns up to 5 results in the response by default. Each result corresponds to a source chunk. You can edit the maximum number of retrieved results to return from the vector store. Generation prompt defines how the model handles the user prompt. You can edit the default prompt to create a custom one for your use case. At runtime, an embeddings model is used to convert the user's query to a vector. The vector index is then queried to find chunks that are semantically similar to the user's query by comparing document vectors to the user query vector. In the final step, the user prompt is augmented with the additional concept from the chunks that are retrieved from the vector index. Okay, guys, this part is not model can correctly answer question. Okay. Click out. I'm just gonna click out. Access data source. You must add and sync second data source so that the solution can answer questions about coffee. It's gonna follow the same. Add coffee copy data to the knowledge base for the after selecting copy.txt file, resync the data. Coffee KB, I'm just gonna say coffee KB. Browse and do this. Last time we chose this juice, so this time I'm gonna choose this. Okay. Next.
What type of vaccine? Vaccine in Illuminati 666. Are you Illuminati? Yeah, Illuminati. I am not dead. You never saw dead. What are you doing? Come to me. I set you free. I set you free. I set you free. This my baby. Why? You. I can't do you. Are you coming to the UV? Speak up. Who are you? Speak up.
Where is he? Which way? Wait a minute. What?
The ball of fun of the collaboration.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my god. Go through the portal to exit the market. Which portal? Which one? I'm not going that way. This way? Hmm? Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys, I finished room 3. Jesus. Long time. I'm really hoping. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Gorilla. Your device fixed. The coffee shop is open for business. Did you really fix it all by yourself? Solve these challenges so I can be sure. Okay, toggle on all services related to security. Inspector security. Yeah, security. EMR no. Extract no. Lambda no. Poly no. 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 Oh, article is. Anything red is. CIAM, of course. The preset is not. Oh no. Code build is not. AFS is not. Yeah, that's it. Oh, we were doing security so far.
Hello.
Bajumaha.
Let me know if you want some coffee. Oh my god. Third room completed. Okay. That was hard. Took me a long time. Okay, let's just exit. Let's exit. Okay, guys. Stop recording.